Okay, so now I will explain you different types of system software, and the first of its type is operating system. So what is an operating system? Operating system is a system software which can provide an interface between user and hardware and manage overall operation of computer system. I think this is the perfect definition of operating system. That is, it is a system software, provide an interface between user and hardware, user is like me and you, and manage overall operation of computer system. All the operation involved with the computer system like memory management, security management, processor management, scheduling, everything is managed by their operating system. So it is the one of the most important part of the computer system. Next one is language translator, and the different types of language translator are compiler, interpreter and assembler. Okay, so what is compiler? Now compiler is also a kind of system software which can convert high level language, that is HLL means high level language like Hindi, English, Java, C, C++, all are example of high level language. And you all know that computer understand only machine language. So compiler is a system software which can convert high level language into the machine language. Means whatever we write in high level language, our compiler is convert that language into machine language like 0 and 1. It is also called binary number system. Okay, and why it is called binary number system? Bi means 2, means in this number system there is only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Okay, 0 is represent for true, 0 is represent for false and 1 is represent for true. Okay, for computer term it is also represent 0 volt, means when the value is 0 it means it is low value, and when value is 1 it means it's around 5 volt, means at that time your system, your electronic devices are active and performing. Okay, so this high compiler is convert this high level language into machine understandable language, and it is the basic function of compiler. Okay, next system software is interpreter. Interpreter also performs same task as compiler. Interpreter also convert high level language into machine language, but the only difference between compiler and interpreter is that in case of compiler compile the whole page at the same time, but in case of interpreter, that interpreter interpret the code line by line. means अगर जब तक एक लाइन इंटरप्रेट नहीं होगा, उसको रेक्टिफाई नहीं करेगा, तब तक इंटरप्रेटर हमारा दूसरे लाइन को कंपाइल और इंटरप्रेट नहीं करेगा, जब तक कि हम लोग पहले लाइन के सारे एरर को रिमूव ना कर दें. लेकिन कंपाइलर क्या करेगा? पूरे के पूरे पेज को एक साथ कंपाइल करके हमारे पेज में जितने भी एरर होंगे या जो भी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस होंगे वो एक साथ डिस्प्ले कर देगा. लेकिन इंटरप्रेटर लाइन बाय लाइन करता है. सो इंटरप्रेटर इंटरप्रेट लाइन बाय लाइन और कंपाइलर कंपाइल पेज बाय पेज. ओके, सो compiler and interpreter both are the system software which can convert high level language into machine language and machine language into high level language, vice versa. ठीक है, दोनों ही काम करता है. Okay, and the last system software are assembler. Okay, assembler convert assembly language into machine language and vice versa. Okay, what is assembly language? Normally all the programming done and performed on the electronics chip and circuit, that can programming is done with the help of assembly language. Okay, and that assembly language is converted into machine language by the system software that is called assembler. Okay, so these three are the example of system software. Okay, So next class I will explain you about application software. Okay, thank you.